In today's video, I want to share with you guys that we do not manifest what we want, we manifest who we are. Okay? So before we get into the video, I just want to remind you that we have a lot of free coaching resources, link below. Also, if you are interested in one-on-one private coaching, link below. And lastly, if you'd like to join our school community for easy, effortless manifestation and to kind of join a community with like-minded people, boom, link below. So as I was mentioning that, we do not manifest what we want, we manifest who we are. Now think about all the stuff that you want. You want this, you want that, and the other, right? You want. Now, with manifestation, really manifestation 101, it's simple. It's very, very simple. It's basically, you just decide what you want, and then afterwards, you then assume that you already have it now. And now you stick to that new assumption. So that new assumption now becomes your new mindset, right? And as long as you stick to that new assumption, your 3D reality reflects your new assumption. Why? Because your assumptions are more real than the 3D. Because your assumptions create the 3D. Let me repeat that. Your assumptions are more real than the 3D because your assumptions create the 3D. So you do not manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. Now, you have to ask yourself right now, who are you being? Are you being the person who already has the desire, or are you being the person who is waiting, who is hoping, who is wishing, who is looking at the 3D for proof and using the 3D as a measuring stick? So be honest with yourself, comment below and tell me, who are you being? Are you being the person who is having your desire already, or are you being the person who is in the waiting room? Now I want to release you from the waiting room, because the waiting room just causes unnecessary stress, anxiety, sometimes even depression. Because now you wait, you look, you complain, you say, hey, why is it not here yet? Well, manifestation 101. You have to assume that you already have it now. Assume that you already have it now and stick to that assumption. Because that assumption will create your 3D, your new world, your new reality. And that's it. That's it. So now let's recap. You do not manifest what you want, you manifest who you are. So what you want to do right now is you want to become the person who already has your desires right now. You want to become the person who already has your desires right now. Okay? And the moment you decide that you are now the person who has your desires, you now stick to this assumption. Irrespective of what the 3D says. Remember, the 3D is just a reflection, it's a mirror. You are the cause. Whatever you say goes. You create your reality. Isn't it freaking wonderful? That is so empowering. That's so powerful, man. The fact that you create your own reality. You know what I mean? You don't have to wait for anything outside of yourself, because everything outside of yourself is just a reflection. It's simply just a reflection. Okay? So you got this. I have finally released you from the waiting room. Now you know exactly what to do. So do that right now. Don't wait. You're wasting time. And as always, there's a lot of free coaching resources. Check the link out below and keep smiling. I'll see you guys on the next one. Cheers.